Another good product that Mountain Manly makes. You can find on his Etsy store. This is Forager bags. These things are awesome. The craftsmanship, you know, it's a little bit above and beyond. You got a deer antler button. It's got this ferro rod, deer antler handle, and I love this little way to keep it on there. You got that little leather tab. You slide that down, shake it loose, you can strike it. But I just think that is so simple and so damn handy. That really works. Keep it on there. You can see mine's pretty worn out, pretty beat up. I use it a lot. I stuck a carabiner on the back of mine because sometimes my bag gets a little heavy from a belt, so I just pop it off there. You know, put on my belt loop and pop it off whenever I'm done. Let's see, open it up. There's a lot of bags out there, you know, but I really like this bag. It's a heavy duty. You can see how well it's waxed canvas. Very large bag. I went out and collected, you know, ramps, wild onions, dandelion, trout lilies, toothwort, held deer bones I found while I was out and tossed them down in here. It's a great bag. It's really well made. You can slide that straight onto your belt, like I said, through there. But I like it to be detachable if I need it to be. Quick fix. Throw a carabiner on there. Yeah, just another good piece of gear from Mountain Manly. You can find him on his Etsy store. He's on Instagram. Check him out.